Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to explore ethical hacking or learn cybersecurity, then Kali Linux is the perfect place to start. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux step by step using VMware Workstation. And don't worry, I'll keep everything simple so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along with no problem. Make sure to follow me and don't skip ahead because one small step can make big difference in installation. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First of all, we have to download Kali Linux ISO file. For that, open your favorite browser and search for Kali Linux. Click the official website link, kali.org. So this is official website. Now click on the download button. Once the site opens, you'll see a few options. Choose installer image. You might be wondering why we aren't choosing the virtual machine option for VMware. The installer image is the better choice because it gives us a more stable setup without any issue. Now you will see different installer images. We need first one. Click the download arrow, and your ISO file will start downloading. The file is quite large, so it will take some time. When the download finishes, go to your downloads folder. You should see a Kali Linux ISO file. That is the file we need for the installation. Next, open VMware Workstation. If you don't have it installed yet, I have a video link in the description where you can learn how to install VMware Workstation. Inside VMware, click Create a new virtual machine. Select the option to install from a disk image. Now browse your computer and select the Kali Linux ISO file you downloaded. Click Next. Choose Other as the operating system. Then choose the version as Other 64-bit, and click Next. Now choose location where you want to install it. Keep it as it is so we do not face issues while installation. Enter a name for your virtual machine. I'm calling mine Kali Linux. Then click Next. Now choose your disk size. I recommend at least 30 to 80 GB. Now here you can choose any option. I will go with first one. Click Customize Hardware so you can give it enough memory. Change the RAM to at least 4 GB if possible. I'm going with 2 GB. Once done, click Close and then Finish. Your virtual machine is now created. Press the Power On button to start the installation. You'll see the Kali Linux setup on screen. Select Start Installer and press Enter. Choose English for language. Click Continue after each step. Choose your location. United States is fine if you are not sure. Choose your keyboard. American English works for most people. Now the installer will begin some configuration in the background. When it asks for a host name, just keep the default and press Continue. You can leave domain name empty or write anything. Enter any name and press Continue. Then enter your username. Next, create a password. Make sure you remember this username and password because you will need it to log in later. Select your time zone. Then choose the option Guided, use entire disk. Keep selecting Continue with the default options until it asks to write changes to disk. Choose Yes. Next, it will ask to install the Grub bootloader. Choose No and continue. Select the main drive, then press Continue. Once everything is installed, it will ask to reboot. Select that option. After rebooting, choose Kali Linux from the menu. Log in using the username and password you set earlier. And there you go, your Kali Linux installation is complete. You'll now see the Kali Linux desktop with different applications ready to explore. Try opening the browser or any tool you like. Now that Kali Linux is ready to go, take a little time to explore and get comfortable with it. Start with the basics like updating your system and checking out the tools in the menu. If you're new to ethical hacking, practice with beginner tools like Nmap, Wireshark, and Metasploit. And always remember, Kali is made for learning and security testing in legal environments only. Stay curious, keep practicing, and enjoy the journey into If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.